In today's video I want to show you guys how you can connect your mobile device like your iPhone to your TV and how you can screen mirror something. So what we can do is here click on this button, on the home button, then go to left or click on input. So what we do, here we select screen sharing. So click on this, and yeah, what we do now is look for something like cast or something else, and here what we can do is to look for this setting on our like mobile device. So for the first step, it's really important that your mobile and your TV is connected with the same Wi-Fi, and then here you have to select the cast function on your mobile device. So, and if this is not on your mobile device, you can't connect it with your TV. Yeah, and this is supported here. You can see it by Android and Windows OS. Okay, if I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments. We will find a solution, and then see you next time.